Hello. Today I'd like to introduce you to one of my favorite apps, CORE. CORE was developed by Clinical Relevant Technologies to assist us in performing orthopedic exams. I love this app. I use it all the time in my clinical practice and in teaching. By simply tapping on the icon, here we go, it'll take you to the home page, which is called the skeleton page. You can return to this page anytime you like by clicking on the skull in the bottom left-hand corner. By selecting any one of the joints with a circle around it, you will see all of the special tests contained in that joint. Here's the shoulder joint, for example. As you can see, it lists all of the special tests for pathology, or you can do it alphabetically, and it'll give you an indication of how many tests within each group. For an example today, we will look at impingement. So we'll simply click impingement. It takes you to the impingement page, and no worries, there's a lot of them, but a lot of them are named the same, so it will identify which ones are of the same name. But today we will pick one that doesn't have multiple names by simply clicking on the drop arm test, for example. It will take you to the drop arm page. Here's the drop arm page, and here's a description or purpose of the drop arm test. And if you decide, yep, that's the test I want, but you can't remember how it's performed, then you can read here. And if you're more of a visual learner, simply scroll down like that, and you can see a YouTube or video here, and by touching that, it will take you to the YouTube channel. If you would like to understand what the test properties are, so you can check on the specificity and sensitivity of any of these exams, they've provided a link for that too. It's here under the Test Properties tab, so by clicking Test Properties, it will take you to this page, and you can see that the test properties are listed by the research paper that they came from, which makes it very convenient to simply click the link. This one's PubMed, and it will take you right to the paper, and you'll be able to read the abstract. As you scroll through these and you're interested in the sensitivity or specificity, but you may not understand some of the other acronyms, here at the very bottom of the page, you will find two tabs. One is Statistical Legends, and by clicking that, it will take you into a page where it'll show you what all the acronyms mean. So let's click on that right there. And so easily reference to what all those acronyms mean, and you can easily slide back. And clicking this Statistical Review tab will slide you to the definitions of all the terms that you may have forgotten or need a refresher on, and they're here listed and easy to be located. It's really kind of nice for that refresher course. This is the app. There's lots of other functions. I love this app. I use it all the time, and I hope that you do too. Thank you for joining me, and we'll see you later.